Hello, my dear children. We can study division. Okay. We have studied what is remainder.
That is 5 divided by 3. How many 3's are there in 5? You all know that 1 3 is there in 5. 1 3 is equal to 1 times 3, 3. So, what is the remainder? 2 is the remainder. Then 7 divided by 2. How many 2's are there in 7? 3 2's are there in 7. 2 3's are 6. Okay. Then here 7. But we got 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So that one will be the remainder. Okay. Now we can study division of 2 digits by 1 digit. First example, 87 divided by 6. Here, 87, we have to divide by 6. Okay. Here, we know 10 6 are 60. Okay. After then, we have to subtract. Then 7 minus 0, 7. 8 minus 6, 2. Then 4 6 are, which is the nearest multiple of 6. That should be less than 27. What is the remainder? Here 27. Okay. Next number should be less than or equal to 27. We cannot write here 27. 5 6 are 30. But this 5 we cannot write here because 30 is greater than 27. Okay. But 27 is not there in 6th table. Okay. So, which is the nearest multiple of 6? Okay. 27. Before that 27, 24 is there in 6. How many 6 are there in 24? 4 6 are 24. This 4 we have to write there. Okay. 4 6 are 24. We have to subtract this one. After then 7 minus 4, 3. Okay children. 3 is less than 6. So we can stop this division here itself. Then how many 6 are there in 87? We have to add these two numbers. Not 6 and 6. Which numbers we multiplied with this number? Okay. So 10 plus 4, 14. So we can write 87 divided by 6. 14. 14 6 are there in 87 and this 3 is the remainder. Okay. This 3 is the remainder. 14 remainder 3. Okay. Next question. 69 divided by 5. First 69. Then 10 times 5. 10 5's are 50. Okay. Then subtract. 9 minus 0, 9. 6 minus 5, 1. Then which is the nearest multiple of 5? Here the number is 19. 20 is there in 5's table. That is nearest to 19. But we can't consider this 20 because 20 is greater than 19. If this number is not there in this multiplication, we have to consider less than and just previous number of this 19. That should be in 5's table or 6th table. Which number is dividing? Okay. So, here 15 is there. Okay. How many 5s are 15? 3 5s are 15. Okay. Then here subtraction. 19 minus 5, 4. Okay. 4 is less than 5. We can stop this division. Next, how many 5s are there in 69? To find that, we have to add these numbers. 10 and 3. 10 plus 3, 13. Okay. So, the answer is 13 remainder this 4. Got it? Next number 87 divided by 4. That is 87. Then 10 times 4. 10 fours are 40. Then subtraction. Again 7. Then 8 minus 4. 4 itself. This is 47. We know in 47, 40 is there. Then subtraction. Again 10 itself. 10 times 4. 7 minus 0, 7. 4 minus 4, 0. We can write there 7 itself. 7 is greater than 4. So, how many 4s are there in 7? 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. But 8 is greater than 7. So, we can't consider this 8. We have to take 4 itself. Okay. Then 1 times 4 is 4. Okay. Then 7 minus 4, 3. So, how many 4s are there in 87? We have to add these numbers. 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 1, 21. So, we can write 21 remainder 3. Okay. You got some idea? In this worksheet, before dividing these numbers, we have to find the estimation. Here, 87 divided by 6. 87 is nearest to 90. Okay. So, 90 divided by 6. 1 6 is 6, 30, then 15. We can write the 15. That is, this worksheet is like this way. 87, then 10 times 6, 60, then subtraction, then 27, 4 times 6, that is 24, subtraction, 3 is there. Okay. Then 14 is the answer. We can write here 15. Okay. 14 remainder 3. First we have to find the estimation. Estimation is easy. We have studied what is estimation. How can we find? One more estimation. 87 divided by 7. First estimation. 87. How many 7s are there in 87? We know 77 is there in 7's table because 11 7s are 77. But plus 10 is 87. 77 plus 10 equal to 87. In 10, how many are there? In 10, 1 7 is there. So here 11. So we can write 11 plus 1, 12. Okay. After then we have to subtract 87. Then 10 times 7. That is 70. Then subtraction 17. 17 is not there in 7's table. So what can we do? 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, like that way. 14 and 21 is there. Can't take 21. We know that this 21 is greater than 17. We cannot consider. We have to take 14. So, how many 7s are 14? 2 7s are 14. Okay. Then subtraction. 3 is there. Then how many are there? This 10 and 2. 10 plus 2, 12. So, we can write 12 remainder. 3 is the actual answer. 12 is the estimation. Okay, children. We can do some works related with our division. Okay. Let us try.